Goliath was a giant of a man. He was over 9 feet tall, and he wore really heavy bronze armour and a bronze helmet. He carried a bronze javelin slung over his shoulder, and his spear was thick with a really heavy iron head. He even had a soldier that walked in front of him to carry his shield. Goliath stood and shouted at the Israelites, "What are you doing there lined up for battle? I am a Philistine, you slaves of Saul. Choose one of your men to fight me, and if he wins, then we will be your slaves. But if I win, you will be our slaves. I dare you to pick someone to fight me," he shouted. When Saul and his men heard this, they were terrified. Goliath challenged the Israelites every morning and evening for 40 days. Now David was the son of Jesse, and Jesse had 8 sons. At the time, Saul was king, and Jesse's 3 eldest sons had gone with Saul to war. David was the youngest, and while his 3 brothers stayed with Saul, David would take care of his father's sheep. One day Jesse said to David, "Take a half bushel of this roasted grain and these 10 loaves of bread and hurry with them to your brothers in the camp. And take these 10 cheeses to the commanding officer. Find out how your brothers are getting on and bring back something to show that you saw them and that they're okay. You'll find your brothers and all the other Israelites in the valley fighting the Philistines." David got up early the next morning, took the food and went as his father had told him to. He arrived at the camp just as the Israelites were going out to their battle lines. The Philistine and the Israelite armies took position for battle facing each other. David left the food with the officer in charge of the supplies, ran to the battle line, found his brothers and asked them how they were getting on. As he was talking with them, Goliath came forward and he challenged the Israelites just as he'd done many times before, and David heard him. When the Israelites saw Goliath, they ran away in terror. David then overheard some of the men saying that King Saul had promised to give a big reward to the man who defeats Goliath. David asked the men who were near him, "What will the man get who kills this Philistine and frees Israel from this disgrace? Who does this Goliath think he is to defy the army of the living God?" David's eldest brother Eliab heard him talking to the men, and he became angry with David and asked him, "What are you doing here, and who is taking care of your sheep? You just came to watch the fighting." "Now what have I done?" David asked. "Can't I even ask a question?" Some of the men heard what David had said, and they told King Saul, who sent for him. David said to Saul, "Your Majesty, no one should be afraid of this Philistine. I will go and fight him." "How can you fight him?" said Saul. "You're just a boy, and he's been a soldier all his life." "Your Majesty," David said, "I take care of my father's sheep. Any time a lion or a bear carries off a lamb, I go after it, attack it and rescue the lamb. And if the lion or the bear turns on me, I grab it by the throat and I beat it. I've killed lions and bears, and I'll do the same to this Philistine who has defied the army of the living God. The Lord has saved me from lions and bears, and he will save me from Goliath." "All right," Saul answered. "Go, and the Lord be with you." Saul gave David his armour to wear, but when David tried to walk, he couldn't, because it was far too big and he wasn't used to wearing it. "I can't fight with all this on," he said to Saul, so he took it all off. He took his shepherd's stick and then picked up 5 smooth stones from the stream and put them in his bag. With his sling ready, he went out to meet Goliath. Goliath started walking towards David with his shield bearer walking in front of him. He kept coming closer, and when he got a good look at David, he laughed, as he was just a young boy. He then said to David, "What's that stick for? Do you think I'm a dog?" And he called down curses from his God on David. "Come on," he challenged David, "and I will give your body to the birds and the animals to eat." But David answered, "You are coming against me with sword, spear and javelin, but I come against you in the name of the Lord Almighty, the God of Israel. This very day the Lord will put you in my power. I will defeat you, and then the whole world will know that Israel has a God, and everyone here will see that the Lord doesn't need swords or spears to save his people. He is victorious in battle, and he will put all of you in our power." Goliath started walking towards David again, and David ran quickly towards the Philistine battle line to fight him. He reached into his bag and he took out a stone, which he slung at Goliath. It hit Goliath on the forehead and broke his skull, and he fell face downwards on the ground. And so, without a sword, David defeated and killed Goliath with a sling and a stone. When the Philistines saw their hero was dead, they ran away, and the Israelite army shouted and ran after them.